And it's time for Friday Focus. I'm Laura Berman Fortgang, Master Credential Coach, 5-time best-selling author, and TEDx speaker. This week, we're going to talk about a question that I really can't stand. And that question is, what do you do? Really, why I don't like that question is because it's so limiting. We are so much more than what we do. We're more than being a marketing director. We're more than being a realtor. We're more than being a coach. But in this world, that's still how people identify. So let's deal with it. The messaging of what you do should come from results. So talk in outcomes. So I will say to somebody, I help people figure out what they want to do with their lives, or I help coaches to raise their income and impact. A realtor, I help people land their dream home. Or if you're a coach and you say, I support leaders to look forward to Monday morning. Or if you're someone who does copywriting and you say, I wordsmith products into profit. Now you've got people's attention. Talk outcomes and results, don't talk titles. Yes, we have to live in the real world, but really my dream is that people walk around going, well, who are you? I'm someone who cares deeply about X. I'm someone who wants to devote my life to Y. That is so exciting to me. Talk and outcomes. So hopefully, like me, you don't dread what do you do. Hope you have a great weekend, everybody. Thanks for being here and tune in again, 10 a.m. Fridays. Bye.